Hello everyone, so I am going to start the part 2 of this chapter from physics, force and pressure, okay, of class 8. So today we are going to start about the pressure. Force already we have studied, we have the part 1 of this video also. So this is a part 2, pressure we are going to study. Here two diagrams are given, one is A and B. In A and B, what is the difference? Can you see? A is there, the force is the weight of the book, okay, and in B the force is a pressure is what? The force per unit area. One pencil is there, in that pencil area how much pressure will be? The force is given by the book and how much pressure will be there per unit area. Always remember that the pressure is always a force per unit area acting in a perpendicular surface of the contact, where it will be there, it will be always in a perpendicular position. So always pressure is directly proportional to force and it is inversely proportional to the area. Means what? Decrease in area, pressure will be more, increase in area, pressure will be less. Now there is what? Pressure is denoted by Pascal PA. Force is denoted by Newton and area of the surface is denoted by meter square. Okay. Now let's see one example in front of you. Here weight is given. Okay. Means force is given 100 Newton. Area is given to you. One is given 0.1 meter square. Another is 0.01 meter square. Both the pressure is different. Okay. But same force. What we got here? Same force is there. But one pressure is less where the area is 0.01 meter square and another 0.01 meter square, here area is more less but here pressure is more. Okay. Let's talk about the thrust. What is thrust then? When the force is acting vertically downward, okay, you are pushing, two nails are there but it is in vice versa position, we will push there. So here what will happen? The pressure is equal to thrust by the area. Okay. Now we'll talk about some applications of pressure. So here always we have got that in our day-to-day life pressure is used. So how it is used, what how many where we can use these types of the pressure. Okay. Now let's see one by one. There are 5 examples in front of you. First is the syringe. So syringe has what? They have a very fine pointed end. Okay, and where it will be contact, it will, the area is very less. So as area is less, the pressure will be exerted more. So while giving syringes in our body, what happens? It pains, isn't it? We are afraid also, I think so. Next is the knife. So see the cutting tools, no, knife, blades, axes, what are they? They have the sharpened edge. Okay, means the area of cross section will be decreased and what will happen? The pressure will be exerted here more. Okay, so we can easily cut a given surface. Next example is about the backpacks or the school bags which have the wide straps, not the thin straps. Because what will happen? As straps are more, means area of the contact is more, the pressure will be less there. So we can carry the weight of the bag. But if there are very thin straps, the area will be less, then the pressure will be more. Next we'll talk about the battle tank. Battle tank is very heavy, isn't it? We can see here. So there the wheels will sink in the ground, but it is supported by the chain and this chains will help in distributing the weight of the tank. Okay, so here the pressure will be decreased again. Next, the fifth last point we are talking about the dams. So these have what? The broader base. You can see no broader base. This side water, H2O water is shown there. It has a in greater depth. Here what will happen? The water will exert a great pressure on the walls of the dam, and to withstand this pressure the dams have a broad base to give it a very greater stability. Means it have to be in one position, isn't it? So they have a broader base. So this part it is finished. Next part we will study about the liquids exerted by pressure. Till then, thank you, and this part will be continued later. Thank you.